Greetings everyone, Joseph James here with your nightly newsletter brought to you by theschooloftrade.com. Today was September 23rd, 2009. Before we talk about the trades we took today, I want to remind you guys about our free resource online. Check out our YouTube page /School of Trade. And when you're there, guys, please subscribe to our channel and please rate and comment on this video. And before we talk about some of the trades we took, let's talk about our term of the day today. The three key components, right? What are the three key components that go into any major trading methodology? Well, of course, we have three key ingredients to our success with the James Wave method, of course, we teach here at the School of Trade. Now, these three key components are very simple. They are high percentage setups, that is the wave, the two-step, the new breaker pattern. These, of course, are the tools that we use as traders. The second ingredient are mechanical rules to follow. These are specific instructions on how to use these tools. And the third key ingredient here is the emotional and technical discipline. That means how to follow the plan in the face of adversity. Now, as you guys know, these three key components, they're going to be necessary for pretty much any type of trading you do. We, of course, specialize in low-risk, long-term, conservative trading here at the School of Trade. And these key ingredients, again, high percentage setups, the tools we use. Well, if I have all the great tools to use, I need to know how to use those tools. And if I don't have specific rules, right, mechanical rules to follow, that is, specific instructions on how to use those tools, well, I'm not going to know how to use those tools to the best of their abilities. Now, of course, I also have to make sure that I have emotional and technical discipline to follow those rules. Right? It doesn't make any sense for me to have tools to use, know how to follow the rules to use them, but never use those rules. So I've got to have the tools, know how to use the tools, and then, of course, use emotional and technical discipline, following a plan, to make sure that I follow the steps needed to use those tools correctly at the right times, of course, throughout the trading day. So three key ingredients. Got to have the tools of the trade, right? The high percentage setups, the mechanical rules to follow to show you how to use those setups, and of course the emotional and technical discipline to stay away from some of the trades that you want to take, right? Don't fit our rules, and to take the trades that fit our plan. And of course, the most important thing is we have to follow those rules in the face of adversity, right? When things are going tough, when the market's moving quickly, can we stay focused and engage in the market and follow those rules with emotional and technical discipline? Those are our three key ingredients, guys, and of course we'll show you guys how we use those tomorrow morning in our live trade room. It opens up tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's Thursday, so of course we open up for the European session at 2:45 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll take a break at about 6 a.m. Eastern Time, so join us after that for the U.S. session at 7:45. So European session tomorrow, 2:45 a.m. open. The U.S. session, 7:45 a.m. start. You can, of course, trade both of them if you want. And remember, the room is open for all lifetime and trial members. Don't forget tomorrow, Thursday, at 11:30 a.m., we have a free webinar. 11:30 a.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays, of course, Eastern Standard Time, right in our live trade room. And if you guys are coming out for the first time tomorrow to join us, check out a copy of the Beginner's Course. The Beginner's Course is going to be a firm foundation of knowledge, going to give you that jump start of the information you guys need to make the most out of your free trial. All right, so there's our schedule for tomorrow. Now, we took one trade today, just one trade this morning. Brought about 19 ticks there on the crude here. Entry here at 10:56 this morning on the crude. Again, a two-step short here. This is a counter trend trade. And of course, when I zoom in on this for you guys, you can see here we have this blue line here. This blue line represents a swing low here. What happened was price broke above that 69.28 level, then showed signs of exhaustion. We then, of course, watch for those signs of exhaustion. And when we see that happen, we look for the reversal. This reversal, of course, happened at 10:56 on the crude, a two-step, right? That's the name of the pattern, a two-step short. Fill here was at 69.24. Now, that swing low here was at 27. I had to basically wait for price to break through that swing low, then look for some follow-through, right? Some confirmation that the move was actually going to happen. Once I saw that follow-through, then I had what I needed to get involved in that trade. 24 was my fill there. We took targets at 4 ticks, 8 ticks, and then trailed our stop for additional 3 ticks. 2 off at 4, 1 off at 8, and the final runner off at 3. That totals 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19 ticks, and at $10 a tick here on crude, that's $190 on only a 4-contract account. As you guys can see, though, a little bit larger account, you can make a lot more money. But of course, we'll show you guys how we take these trades, the rules we use to get into them. We'll go over all the entry rules. We'll give you guys all the pattern setups. Guys, we're going to go over everything from start to finish tomorrow in live trade room. So come out and join us tomorrow morning. That room opens up at 2:45 a.m. for our European traders, 7:45 a.m. for the U.S. session traders. Free webinar tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, so be aware of that. We'll trade any market. We'll give you guys live calls with entries, targets, and stops. And of course, we'll show you guys how we manage our trades, taking profit, exits, entries, how we manage everything. Guys, after your free 3-week trial, you'll see the market a completely different way. This I promise you. Want to remind you guys the beginner's course is recommended for all free trial members, so pick up a copy of the beginner's course on the way to the room tomorrow morning, and please subscribe to this page, rate and comment on our YouTube videos. If you want more information, guys, about lifetime membership, that's right, lifetime membership, no monthly fees. You own the code to all of our indicators. It's a lifetime unlimited access. Drop us an email for more information about lifetime membership at sales@schooloftrade.com. My name is Joseph James. Thank you guys very much for your time this evening. I know you guys are busy just like we are. We appreciate your time. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning in the room, 2:45 a.m. for the European session, 7:45 a.m. for the U.S. session. We'll see you guys then. Bye-bye for now.